How to fix Comdlg32.dll missing or not found error in Windows. 1. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue if it's caused by a temporary glitch. Open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems.